Welcome back to Make Tools in Schools. So we're going to explain what a lot of these are in our upcoming chapters. My job has been to discover things to bend around, bend popsicle sticks of all kinds and shapes. And we're going to get to those tools, but when your kids are designing, building, and making, I do want them to think outside the box. However, in the mess of hot glue and sawdust and clamps and all the tools that we're going to use, you might want to help confine their mess to a particular spot. Otherwise, the hot glue gets all over the table. And what I found to work the best are Costco boxes. And for storage issues, I like to find them at Costco or at the supermarket where there are these half box lids. And as you can see, they kind of all marry together. Whoops. Yeah. And fit. So that would be a way to keep all of the kids' projects together. And then if you want to stack them project on top of each other, just take the whole box and then you could turn it back and forth to help stack. Like I had mentioned, we're going to go over details on what I do in bending wood and how that might relate to you and your class. But this is a project box of mine, and it just kind of keeps all the sawdust and all the parts, as you can tell, in one spot.